Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera with us. Dave, everyone's talking about the wind.
Yeah, really strong today. Wind gusts from the Front Range out across the eastern plains. We're going 30 to 50 mile per hour. Tonight, they've relaxed a little bit. We still have some wind out there, but tomorrow, a cold front's going to come through and energize the wind. So tomorrow, they're going to be even stronger around here. It's been a year of windy conditions. We got it going on again. Tonight, still some wind out there. Sustained wind in Aurora going 17, 21 in Lakewood, 26 in Broomfield, 27 in Golden. Even up into the mountains, you go up into Idaho Springs, some wind is kicking up there. And for everybody tomorrow, that wind is going to be even stronger. And here is the reason why. We got a cold front riding down the jet stream. Today, it was all jet stream driven wind. We had a downslope. We made it to near 60 in a lot of locations around the Denver metro area. Now, tomorrow, not only will we have the jet stream, but that cold front will be sliding through as well. So here's the way it looks tonight. As it comes through this evening, it'll actually be about 10 o'clock or so as the leading edge of that comes through. After midnight, we could have a little bit of light snow from Denver out over the northeastern plains all the way through the early morning tomorrow. By about 5, 6 o'clock, that'll come to an end. So I'm not looking for the snow to hang in there for the drive tomorrow, but we'll have a little bit of flurry action overnight tonight. There we are at 8 o'clock in the morning. By that time, we're back in the sunshine, but the colder air will infiltrate all of eastern Colorado here and eventually all of the state, both Friday and Saturday, with cooler temperatures. So here's how the wind looks tonight into tomorrow. You can see it calms down in the morning. This is 6 o'clock in the morning, maybe about 5 to 15 in town. Already kicking up 35 to 45 up to the north and in the foothills here as well. Then once we get into the afternoon, here's the noon hour, up to 50 up north, like Greeley at 47 mile per hour, and even stronger back up here in the foothills and out over the eastern plains. And as we go through the afternoon, there's 4 o'clock, some pretty strong winds around the Front Range out east. Tomorrow night, same deal. It will relax and then probably come back on Saturday as well. So with that in mind, we have a red flag warning, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow. Some of the gusts could go 55 to 75 mile per hour. Part of the Denver metro area, foothills up into Boulder County, Larimer County, and then it spreads all the way out over the eastern plains as well. Humidity levels about 10 to 20%. Now, temperatures are going to cool down a little bit. We're going to see mostly 40s, but with that type of wind, we still have to worry about the fire danger. Typically, when we cool down, it raises humidity levels, and there will be higher tomorrow. However, with 70 mile per hour winds, any spark can take off. So a chilly night tonight, a lot of teens and 20s across the state. And tomorrow, look what that cold front does. 40s and 30s almost for all of Colorado, even out there on the western slope tomorrow. So as we progress into the weekend on Saturday, look at this, 30s and 40s across the eastern plains, and that includes the Bronco game. So we're going to be rather chilly to start the weekend. Now tomorrow, 41 in Thornton, should be about 39 to near 40 in Morrison, and about 39 in Parker and southeast Aurora. Up into some of the Boulder neighborhoods up here, 41, a popular number from Marshall all the way up to Palo Park, over into Heron Lake Meadows, and all the way down into Louisville tomorrow. So a chilly day on the way with that first alert weather day. 39 for Saturday. It will be sunny, but it will be windy. About 25 mile per hour winds at Mile High Stadium with temperatures in the 30s for the whole game. 50 on Sunday, we bounce it back up, and then on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we bring it back down to 42 during the morning for the parade, which goes from City Park to the Capitol, probably upper 30s to near 40. Take your coat, you'll need it. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday into next week, we'll be in the 50s, and another cool down Friday into the following weekend as well. So a few flakes tonight, and the wind comes back again tomorrow.